To remove text from image in Canva, let's come over to our plus sign here and go over to photo editor. We'll bring in the image we want to remove text from, and our image opens up in this window. We want to click on create design, and from here we're going to click on magic layers. Magic layers has finished its magic. You can see we can click on any of these text boxes, go over to position and go over to layers, and you can see this text box. I will select this one, select this text box, and select this last one. And I'm going to delete the text box. You see, we've taken out the text box from the image. And what I can do now is to select on this face, hold shift on my keyboard and select this lady's image. And I can now spread them out to fill out the whole page. And I can position them where I want them to appear.